Hey, welcome back to Mandy's Planet for Sunday dinner. So tonight I'm going to be making 4 ham steaks. So there's 2 in each of these packs because it's the value pack. And to go on the ham, I'm going to have some honey, and this is raw and unfiltered honey by Local Hive. And then a little bit of brown sugar I'm going to sprinkle on. And then for the side, we're gonna make some green bean casserole. So I got 4 cans of cut green beans. So we have 3 cans of cream of mushroom soup. And then I did get the French's onions to go on top of everything, but I do like to mix in onions. So I got just the Great Value French's onions. So let's get started with our Sunday dinner. So for the first 2, I'm just gonna do a honey drizzle on them. And these hams are already cooked, so basically they are just gonna get cooked in the oven until they're like a golden brown, caramelized. And I have the oven already preheated at 425. Let's see. Okay, so we have the oven preheated 425. I'm gonna go ahead and stick these in the oven. Okay, so I got 2 down there. And what I'm gonna do now is to start working on the green bean casserole. Okay, so now we are ready for the green bean casserole, and I have already opened and drained the green beans. It's okay, it's a little bit of water in there because I'm gonna need that anyways because of the cream of mushrooms. It needs a little bit of water added. Okay, and here's my 4th and last can of green beans. So now we have our cream of mushroom soup. And I got 3 cans because I like it creamy. Okay. Next to go in, we have some Worcestershire sauce, however you want to say it. So we're going to do a few splashes of that, and then just have some regular black pepper. And I'm not going to add any salt because the mushroom soup already has salt added. So we don't need a salt overload. So we're just gonna mix this up. And I'm going to get a bag of onions to put in. French fried onions. They're tasty. So we're just gonna add these in, and then we'll have some on top also. But the ones that go on top, we're not gonna put them on top until this is nice and bubbly and ready to, about 10 minutes before it's ready to come out. I'm gonna add a splash of water in. And I might add just a tad bit more pepper. Okay. Just smooth it out, and that's gonna go in to bake. Okay guys, so we got the last 2 hams to do, and these are the 2 that are going to get light brown sugar and honey. Okay, just gonna put this over top, spread it out like so. Okay, give me 1 second to wash my hands off. Okay, and we're going to use the rest of this honey. And then we're gonna stick these 2 into the oven, guys. Okay, so now we have everything in the oven. We got a green bean casserole, these 2 hams, and the 2 ham steaks at the bottom. Okay, be back soon. Let's check on everything. Oh yeah, looks really good, guys. Okay. Okay, so the green beans got cooked through, nice and hot. So what I'm gonna just mix this up now, and then put the more French fries, not French fries, French onions on the top. So we have 1 bag of this. And then these to go on the top. Spread this out first. Okay, and then we're just going to put this back in till this gets golden brown on the top. And then dinner's almost done. Okay, so we got the green bean casserole with the onions back on top. The hams are looking divine. So, a few more minutes, dinner's done. Okay, so everything is done out of the oven. These are the 2 hams that had the brown sugar and the honey. Here's our green bean casserole, some Bob Evans mashed potatoes, and these 2 other hams had just the honey on it. And I have a large amount of food because I do have family over this week that I'm cooking for. So, yum! I'll be back with a plate so you can see how it all looks on the plate. So here's the final product, all plated up. We have our green bean casserole, mashed potatoes, and ham. It's delicious, guys. The ham is so flavorful, and the house smells amazing. Well, I'm gonna eat now. Everybody have a happy Sunday.